the dawn of a new era, what we call the new E, natural human interactions. Because the devices and the services and the competition that's being orchestrated between the devices and the cloud-developed services is going to enable users to interact with those devices in a very natural manners. And the device will have the intelligence to understand the human being's purposes. On device side, we have all the computations that over time will fundamentally understand human language. Written language in the form of text, spoken language in the form of voice, body language in the form of gesture. And the device computations can also have the ability to perceive, understand the images, motion, all the sensors, fully aware of the context, where you are you moving at driving speed or walking speed. All those are digitally available, encapsulated as part of the devices. On the service side, on the cloud side, you have cloud infrastructures that encapsulate all the digital observances in the era of big data. There's a lot of buzz about big data. The core essence of big data is the machine learning technologies. Because machine learning as a regime of computations enables us to economically, cheaply capture any salient, stable patterns that human can tell the difference. Anything that human can tell the difference, that's salient, that's stable, turns out they're all machine learnable. What happens is it's so cheap to capture digital observances so that we can model pretty much everything we do. So that's what we call an intelligence fabric. Anything we do, anywhere we are, the device, the cloud services will have the model that understands the situation, have the ability to predict, anticipate. That's the hallmark of human intelligence. So adding all those together, we are in the early stage of the devices that increasingly are intelligent. They can interact with humans in a very, very natural way. The Microsoft Connect, Apple Siri, the recent Google Now experiences are all at the very early stage of bringing our experiences into that era. And then we can imagine how powerful those experiences can be in the future. So all those leading to what Microsoft is a new opportunity, which is the upcoming launch of Windows 8. Windows 8 not only represents a new generation of Microsoft computing platforms, it also represents a new era of our company, because we will work very, very differently to bring all of Microsoft's assets into the platform so that it becomes the baseline to unlock a lot of human creativities, building rich digital experiences. In particular, we're focusing on a design language we call a modern UI design language that's fully immersive, that's consistent across devices, so that if you're publishers, if you're media executives, you have the opportunity to bring comparing experiences at scale, reach your audiences in power that's never been there before. So these are the opportunities across devices, across different form factors, and unlocking a lot of consumer values. And specifically, we're using the Windows 8 platforms to reimagine the digital surface areas. Anytime you bring a device, whether it's a tablet, a PC, or TV, the surface will be reimagined. There's a set of experiences out of box just works. For example, news, sports, all those experiences needs to be come out of box right there, work for the users. And some of those experiences are naturally ad-funded. That's why advertising as a business is of fundamental importance to us at the Microsoft as we drive the Windows platform for the future. At the same time, we're also reimagining, reinventing the digital experience that underneath the surfaces. Every apps, every interactions are fully being reimagined. Search is going to be different. How search works in a voice gesture environment. Portal is going to be different. Music, movie, video, everything will be different. And in particular, I will talk a little bit about MSN, because MSN is one of the largest portals, have reaching more than 480 million unique users on a monthly basis. And we at the Microsoft completely reimagine the future portal experience from ground up, taking full advantage of the power the Windows 8 platform delivers.